Kooima Ag, the premier ag knife manufacturer in the United States. We produce high-quality feed mixer and forage harvester blades for your operation, with a small dedicated team focusing on bringing you the best product at a reasonable price. Buy factory direct and know that you are saving time and money.
This is Phil with Kooima Ag in Rock Valley, Iowa. One of the neat things about the mixer knives that we make is we produce a knife with an exceedingly sharp leading edge. For example, this knife here goes in a feed mixer to feed cattle. It's made from high carbon steel, has a tungsten carbide overlay, is a CNC machine teeth. It's been heat treated. The last step is a finished grind. So this machine behind me is a robotic CNC grinder. Taking these knife blanks, which are almost completed, putting them through a grinder and grinding this exceedingly sharp edge. It's one thing that this is a key feature of our knives that creates great value. They cut very nice in the feed mixer. This one is the unground version, ready to grind. Once again, it's high carbon steel, has a tungsten carbide overlay, it's been CNC milled, laser cut, and here's the finished grind. You can see it's sharp as a hunting knife. Kooima Ag continues to invest in high-tech, high-dollar equipment to bring you good value, and this CNC grinder with a robot is one example of our investment and our commitment to you, the customer, to bring you the best value.